So this is what's left. We have this long wall to rend out in the living area. And inside the dining area. Leave. And we have the floor to cast out. So we enter into the kitchen. And so the kitchen, floor gone in already. Walls finished rend out, as you can see. Nice and pretty. My electrical box them clean out. So electrician don't have much work to do. Just come and pull wire. Yeah. So these are the kitchen walls. So we have underneath that arch to just, and inside the dining area and rendering almost complete. So this is the washroom. We have some pipe to run in here. We have a water pipe coming from the tank going outside for the pump. And it's electrical pipe beside it. Yeah man, so all the washroom walls complete already. As you can see, doorway just up, just ready for the jam and put on the door. And all of the washroom walls complete. As you can see. After that, yeah man, so we have head back round on the other side. As you can see, that long wall render already. So we just have the arch to just and one wall in the passage here. And see the wall with the panel just out already. So just have this side to just and passage complete. So we have all the jam them gone in already for the passage. There we in the back room. Finished run out already. As you can see, these walls are very tall, peeps. It's in the closet area. Run out already. That is it. Nice and beautiful. Windows just up, just ready to go in. So that's the washroom wall. Just flush it out and finish with it. So that can render later on after the cantilever just. But yeah man, the back room window out already. That is it. Heading into the front room. And we have the jam put on already as well. That is it. Just ready for the door. Yeah man. But we are in the front room. As you can see, closet just out already. That's the entrance door coming into the room from the passage. Windows, dress, everything nice and clean and ready. And so it's a front room window with the arch. That's it. And so this is how it looks. So this is one side of the house, my peeps. Complete up. Yeah man. So we're going over the other side. Over the other side, complete long time, you know, peeps. So this is the passage. Yeah man. Yeah, get through the nice arch. Yeah. Easy youth. So this is the front room on the other side of the building. Finished render out long time ago on camera. It's evening time, you know, people, so the place kind of dark. Now we don't have any floodlight. So just a few little touches inside this room and it's up and running, you know. And so this is the back room. Heading into the back room. Back room complete already, you know, people. Just up long time. Windows, closet. So we have all the jump in already to enter in the bathroom. That is it. And so the bathroom need to pipe up and sort out and tile later on. But yeah, man, back room finish rent out. Just the jump to go on these two. And over here, already at the window. So it's just a few touches. The entrance door coming from the veranda. That wall rent out already. This side rent out already to go in the dining area. So it's just one wall in the living room leave. One wall. And inside the dining area needs to rent out. And this little passage wall right here, so everything complete up. All of the windows just already. Anyway, people, head out. Gotta shut the door, Tom. Hold on, the lock pop off. Come on, yeah, shut the door, my peeps. That is it. Oh, God. Yeah, man, we're on the outside. So, one piece of wall flash out from long time. That is it, man. The part of the scaffold still up in the air. At the back of the building. Back of the building too. Flash out right. Was following the channel, you know, guys. As you can see, that's where we burn out all of the stone them for that piece of addition right there. So it's a bathroom and extend the back room for over that side of the building. So I have a little refill to keep out the water just in case. I want to them mosquito. Just in case the silicone wear out under the window. That is it.